Yes, everybody! Kamusta kayong lahat? How is your day? Kumusta yung mga araw ninyo dyan? Sana okay lang kayo lahat, no? Anyways, welcome to my YouTube channel! Yes, another day, another reaction video na naman! Yes, I'm so excited! And this time, everyone, magre-react tayo sa new release music video ng G22. Yes, tayo magre-react sa kanilang new music video release entitled Groove On. No, excited na ba kayo? Dahil excited na rin Akaz. May ganun. Oo, excited na rin Akaz. But before that, please do subscribe on my YouTube channel. Yes, it's Hyvan Vlogs. Okay? So, abangan ko ang inyong mga subscription. So, maraming salamat in advance. So, without further ado, let's go! Groove On. Social. Ooh. Yes, girl. Wait. Wow, ang sexy nila. Super sexy. I love their body. Yes, dapat ganun, no? Ganun pala talaga dapat kapag if you are a member of a girl group, dapat fit ka, sexy ka, you have the confidence, and yes, they slay their selves or themselves on this music video. Perfect! Yes, girl. Yeah. I like the sound of their voice on that part, no? Like they started like strong. Yes, they started strong, ganyan. Kumbaga parang kung papakinggan mo yung boses nila, parang wala silang inuurungan. Alam mo, parang ready to attack talaga sila from the very start of their music video. I love it. Yes, girl. Ang sexy talaga nila, grabe. Yes. Yes, girl. Tingnan natin yung choreography nila. Sexy, sexy. Well, for their choreography naman, there's nothing wrong with their choreography. Hindi siya yung parang, alam mo yun, pag chorus, dapat OA, dapat super dami ng mga moves, ganyan. But this one, it's just so good kasi hindi siya masyadong, alam mo yun, masyadong mga anik, maraming mga anik-anik. So, ano lang siya, matchy lang siya sa theme ng music video nila, like strong, sweet, sexy, spicy, 'di ba? Nakikita naman sa music video nila. Perfect. Oh, sexy niya. Gusto ko yung style niya doon. Ulitin natin, ha? Ulitin natin. Yes. I like that style. Ang ganda. Sobrang sexy, sobrang aliw. Naaaliw ako dito sa ano niya. Sa katapos matching with the car. Yes, it's so good. Alam nyo, what's also really good, lakas din maka-westerner ng ang hatak ng music video nila. But kahit na ganon, kayang-kaya nila. And that's really special about it. Ganda din ng background nila, ng mga settings nila. Just like that. Gusto ko yung kulay, 'di ba? Tapos yung purple na kulay din sa part na yan pag sumasayaw sila. Yes, girl. Talagang mapapasayaw ka talaga, no? Yes naman. Diba? O, di ba? Parang, ano lang, yung choreography nila, magganon-ganon lang sila. Parang, hindi na, wala nang masyadong ka-OA sa choreography. Parang, hatake lang na ganon. Carry na, check, di ba? Hindi masakit sa mata. Yes. Mm. Wow. Woo! Bet ko yan. Yes! Yan. Pag sa mga music din or sa mga songs din, kapag yung ganong klaseng ano na, type ng ano, ano yung tawag dito, pag ganong klaseng part na ng music, yung parang, ano yung tawag dyan, bridge ba yan? Parang ganon. Yung parang malapit nang matapos yung ano, yung song nila. Parang na-excite ako and yan yung na dinala. Yan yung naibigay nila sa akin dito sa part na yan. Tapos with matching sexy move pa talaga. With matching strong, sexy, ano tawag dito, choreography. It's really fun talaga. Yeah, masaya siya. Yes, o diba? Grabe. I like their music video. Ah, yes! Yan! The dance moves. Yes, naibigay na din talaga nila. Perfect. Mm-hmm. Yes, groove on girls. Perfect. Yes, perfect. Wow. Feeling ko may bagong music video na naman to silang i-release from that music sa ano sa huli. Perfect. Groove on. Ayan. Yes. Groove On by G22. All I can say is it's really fun to watch your music video. I like the three of them. They're very talented. They're very, very sexy. Yung theme ng ano nila ng music video nila parang sobrang spot on lang talaga sa katawan nila, sa personality nila. I've seen some of their music videos before. If I'm not mistaken, I think apat sila, 'di ba? Pero parang umalis atang isa. So, judging by their previous music videos, talagang 'di ba yung mga music videos nila parang strong, parang maangas, na parang alam mo 'yon, lakas makalalaki, ganyan. But this time, they gave they gave another taste of their talent, of their music, and it's really good to watch that they tried another route for their music video, for their talent, and they showcase it here very, very well. And yes, sa settings, yung sa car, nung isa na naka-color brown na outfit, tapos yung nasa parang picnican, 'di ba? Kayo na lang bahala mag-comment sa mga names nila ha, please. I'm so slow pagdating sa mga names talaga. And yung sa kwarto, talagang lakas maka-Barbie. Grabe, talagang alam mo yun, three different lives but they have this one mission. But that is one mission, and that is to mesmerize all of us through their sexiness and confidence. So, diba? Ang ganda. I just enjoy their music videos. So, all in all, I like I like the melody. I like the tune, the type of genre that they use in their song. It's really good. Talagang yeah, fan ako ng girls na 'to. I love them, super. So, yes, that's my review for today for this new music video released of G22. So, I hope nagustuhan niyo po ang aking reaction, ang aking comments and opinions. And yeah, sana mag-subscribe na din kayo sa aking YouTube channel. And yes, I hope you will look forward for more music video react. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And my rating would be 9/10. I know and I'm sure that they can still give more because they still um, has a lot to offer. May malaking potential pa sila na kaya nilang ibigay para sa mga audience nila. More ano lang, more I think for the girls, just enjoy it and explore more and para makahatak pa ng maraming audience and supporters, followers para sa kanila, para sa inyo. So yun. Maraming salamat. I think that's all. This is your DJ. DJ? No, I'm not a DJ. I'm just an ordinary person. Chares. Ayan, nalata tuloy. Yeah, I think it's time for me to go. Thank you so much. Please do support my YouTube channel once again. It's Hyvan Vlog. So see you next time on my music video reactions. Bye-bye!